Yo, what's up guys, it's Bart Bregman here from IQOptionWiki.com with today another tutorial video. Today I want to talk about the CFDs. What are they, how do we use them, what is the advantage, and why do we use CFDs on the IQOption platform, and just walk you guys a little bit through the CFD process and whatnot. So let's dive into our website. First of all, what is the CFD? CFD stands for a contract for difference. That's all it is. It's a contract with the broker for the price difference that the asset is going to make. If you look at the image here, you see here a trader opens a position of $100. Price goes up $100, and he cashes out the price difference of $100, so he will make a $100 profit here. Now in this image here, Marco opens a CFD contract for $20,000, $20 each, and in case the price goes up, he makes $5,000 profit, because the CFD goes from $20 to $25, and he is able to gain a $5,000 profit. But also the other way around, if he opens the contract for $20,000 and it goes down the contract goes down from $20 to $15, that means he loses $5,000, and in that way he can lose big amounts of money, and he can win big amounts of money in terms of the price goes up and down. With CFDs, you're actually not owning the underlying asset. That's the point with CFDs. That's why it's so easy, and that's why you don't have to worry about getting out of your trade or into your trade, because there's no order book. It's just the broker gives you a reliable data feed of the asset, and you're trading on that, and depending on that, you open the trade whenever you want and you close the trade whenever you want. So you don't really own the asset. For example, with currency trading, you need to buy, for example, euro, US dollar. You have to convert from your euros to US dollars, and then later when you close the trade, you have to buy back your euros. With a CFD, it's just a contract you open and you close. It's just for the price difference, and you don't own the actual underlying asset. So why do we want to trade CFDs? The good thing with CFDs, we can trade margin, we can use leverage on them. That makes it also more risky, but what it also does, it gives us also in the short term a bigger chance of making bigger amounts of money. IQOption has the multiplier. I go deeper into this in my leverage video I made recently. You can set up IQOption with the multiplier from 3, 5, 10 to 20x, and that will give you the opportunity to magnify your investment with the number of multiplier you use. That's a good advantage you have with the CFDs. With IQOption, you have a lot of choice in different CFDs. We're going to Forex, stocks, cryptos, commodities, indices, and ETFs. Now we have also an article on our website, how to calculate the profit. This is the formula for calculating a long position and the formula for calculating a short position, but I think that speaks for itself. I will put a link in the description for that. It's just how to calculate the difference in price of a CFD. It's just the percentage you make divide your leverage, divide your investment, is a pretty easy formula, and it doesn't really matter that much in this video. Now let's check out how we can make a CFD trade in the actual IQOption platform, and walk you around a little bit there. So now in the IQOption platform, you open new assets. The Forex is the most well-known CFDs from IQOption, and then we have stocks. We have quite a number of stocks. Then we have cryptos, commodities, and ETFs, and all of these assets on IQ Option are CFDs, except the options. The CFDs are different from the options is that the options have a fixed expiry time, and the CFD contracts, they have no expiry time, so you can choose whenever you open them and whenever you close them. It's now weekend, so all the markets are closed, but because crypto goes 24/7, we're going to use crypto as an example. Let's take the Bitcoin. So now we have opened our Bitcoin chart, and now we're just gonna go from the top to the bottom to open a trade. First, you want to set your amount. In this case, for this test example, we're gonna set a $10. We're gonna set a 3x, very small, and we're gonna put our automatic close position on 80% loss of the trade. That means it will close automatically the position whenever we come in a 80% loss, and that will result that you can never lose more than 80% of the actual trade amount. And then we need to choose upper or lower, buy or sell. Let's say buy in this example. Now you see here that the actual buy position opens a bit higher than the actual starting price or the actual current price. These are because IQ Option charges fees for the CFDs, and that is because IQ Option also needs to make a little bit of money to provide you this service. So that's why you always start a little bit in the minus. And now we're set it up. You can also choose to play around with your automatic close line. For example, I want to say this is the support line or the resistance line, and I want to automatically close my position if it drops below the automatic close line. So you can adjust that automatic close line pretty easily with IQ Option. That's pretty good. So now the last thing I wanted to show you is that you also can automatically close the position. When you go here to settings, automatic closing, you can set the when profit is plus 25%, apply, and here you have also the automatically close point, now currently at 25%, but you can also adjust that if you want to say we go to this support level here. This will be our automatically closed point at 41%. That is also possible. So and for them it's just a waiting game, but I'm going to close this position now because this was just an example. This was the end of the video as well. So I'm going to click here and close, and then your position closes with your win or loss. Over here you can see more statistics of your trade. That was it for this video. I hope you understand a little bit better how the CFD works now, what you can do to open and close them. This was Bart. If you want to know more videos, I have some strategy videos as well. Check my channel. Also check our website, iqoptionwiki.com, and happy trading.